Welcome back, guys. This is Krishna, and welcome to AI Martian. Today I will talk about a deep learning concept because I'm going to start a new series of deep learning on which we will talk about deep learning related concept, which is nothing but the subset of machine learning. So, if a person know about machine learning, can easily understand deep learning. So, deep learning is nothing but a way of creating a model by more optimization, by more configuration. So that's all about the deep learning. Okay. I will tell you later on in this video, like how can we differentiate deep learning to machine learning or vice versa. So in this sequence, I will talk about 10 things. So first of all, I'm going to tell you like what all things I'm going to introduce here. So I'm talking about introduction. So this is the introduction of deep learning, like how I will start this whole series. So basically, I divided the whole series in 10 different parts. So I'm going to mention their name one by one, and I will create video accordingly. So if you guys will face any kind of issue, you can simply comment me. If you guys have anything related to machine learning, you can visit to my channel. There I already created machine learning videos. Okay, and I will also provide the description of machine learning uh, in my video description below. So you guys can go and visit that playlist and can go through the machine learning videos as well. So now I'm mentioning each and every topic what I introduce here. So first is TensorFlow fundamental, because using TensorFlow we will perform our deep learning series. So TensorFlow is, you can say, the ABCD of this whole tutorial. Of fundamentals we require. Then second thing is pandas and NumPy, which is mandatory to for data processing. Pandas and NumPy. The third part is machine learning basic. We have to understand, of course, here in this section I will tell you how machine learning is different from deep learning. So machine learning basics I will talk about, and differences also. So the third one is I will talk about GitHub, so you guys can able to see my source code also. The fifth one is I will talk about neural network for regression, of course. Then I will talk about neural network for classification, neural network for classification. Then seventh, I will teach about computer vision, computer vision. Eighth, I will talk about transfer learning, transfer learning. Nine, I will talk about NLP, also known as natural language processing. Natural language processing. And last but not the least, 10th, time series. Time series. So in this syllabus, in this series, I will talk about these 10 concepts. Okay, I will create video on these 10 concepts. In each segment, I will introduce multiple videos. So don't be happy to see only 10 concepts are there. No, it will contain multiple videos. Means according to topic, I will create a short videos on this. Okay, I will not create any long videos. So uh, people will not get tired to go through single video for a long time, right? So I will create multiple videos in each segment, and you guys can also ping me on comment section. Like if you guys have any issue problem related to this series, you can ping me over there. If you guys need this video in Hindi as well, I can provide you that, because my machine learning series in Hindi. Okay, so I would request you one thing. If you have any query related to this series, just let me know in comment section. I will definitely respond you, and we'll try to rectify the issue as soon as possible, of course. uh, Apart from this, I would request you to please do like, share, subscribe to this channel, and so it will help me out to improve my content, and will also able to create good few videos in future for sure, so you guys will appreciate it. So that's all from my side for this video. This is introductory part, and there I will talk about TensorFlow. Once again, I'm covering this TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, machine learning basic differences, and GitHub, neural network for classification, computer vision, transfer learning, natural language processing, and time series. So that's all from my side, guys. Thank you to visit this channel again, and do like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.